Hey everyone, it's me Tens and welcome back to my channel. I am back this week with a new releases video. These items are going to be coming to the shop. Well, actually, there are $2 Tuesday items that are already debuted, and then the rest of the items will be in the shop at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on May 31st, 2019. So for $2 Tuesday this week, I had 4 new designs for date covers that came into the shop. So I have 2 that are kind of this watercolor stroke, and I did kind of my test prints with hollow and gold, and it's just so pretty. There's a little misfit on this one, but that's other test prints. But so there's this style right here that has like this really pretty stretched out script font. And then this style just has like a really pretty scripty font with like a lot of swashes in it. And it's just this little kind of watercolor stroke. And on my site, you can choose whatever color, fits your fancy for the little stroke color. Next up is this really cute little sweet bow date cover. It has like a little sweet bow in the corner, and then it has the days of the week and like a really pretty kind of calligraphic style font. And then these are just the cutest. These are like a little scalloped corner with the kind of that same font that's on the watercolor stroke date covers. But yeah, I'll show y'all the gold version in a second because I know with the lighting, but I mean, look at that hollow, so pretty. And these are available in black, hollow, gold, silver, and rose gold. So yeah, and on premium matte, glossy, and transparent. And then this is the gold version. And like I said, I didn't foil every single color. I just, foiled these just for some test runs. So those came to the shop for $2 Tuesday this week. They are super cute. I am getting ready to film a plan with me when I get done, and I'm going to use one of the 4 styles. Next up, that is coming to the shop on Friday are these really cute little Bill Do scallop corner stickers. And again, this is in gold foil. And then I actually have the payday ones that are in hollow. And the cute thing about the gold foil ones, about the Bill Do ones, they have a little box there so you can kind of check in your planner, check that off, or mark it off when you paid that bill that you've designated. And then next up, I have a slew of kind of scallop half boxes. And I like this style sticker for a while. I hadn't gotten around to actually designing it, so I actually went into Illustrator and designed the actual scallop edge. So I didn't just grab like a piece of clip art off the web and stick some stuff in. I actually like hand drew it. Well, not hand drew it, but I made an Illustrator. So these are original to my shop. You will not be able to find these in anyone else's shop. You won't be able to find the actual scallop design anywhere else because it is original to me. So anyway, this is the first style, and I have it in hollow and gold here. And basically it's just kind of an open full scallop half box with bow. And I took off the misfit there, just I was testing them out. And it's just super cute. And then it's actually all the way around the corner. So the offset is actually in gold for that one, or in the full color. Next up are these solid ones. So these are like a more decorative. And again, they're completely foiled all the way around. And they just have this really cute little white border and a little cute sweet bow design in the middle. And then this style has just your foil kind of border, and then around it is the white. So that gives you an idea. I know the camera, like there's so much glare, but here's the gold, and I'll kind of lift it up. So those are coming to the shop. And so this is the full fold box. This is the open box, and this is your full scallop border. So I know the names, there's like a lot of names there. And then this is just the hollow version of that same full kind of foiled decorative box. So the scallop half boxes are coming to the shop again at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this Friday, May 31st. And then the $2 Tuesday items are already in the shop. The scallop Bill Do stickers, they will be in the shop. Payday and Bill Do will be in the shop on Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as well. And yeah, guys, that is it for this week's new releases. I'm really trying to build up the functionals in the shop because I'm using them a lot more in my plan with me's. So you want to see how I use them, I highly recommend tuning in to my next set of plan with me's, and then going forward so you can see how cute they look and how they just really add to your spread, especially when they're foil. But again, the items are available in just black, so no foil, and they're a little bit cheaper just because, you know, you don't have the additional, you know, of foiling. But they are available in black, gold, rose gold, silver, and hollow. So, and yeah, so that is it for this week's new release video. I hope you like them. You can find everything featured in this video on my website at blissandfaith.com, and you can earn points for shopping with me. And then of course you can turn around and use those points to, you know, get other items in the shop. So definitely check it out. Other than that, you can catch me over on social at blissandfaith.com. Over on social, I'm sorry, at Bliss and Faith on Instagram. That's mainly where you'll find me in regards to, you know, all things shop related, real-time updates, things like that. And other than that, you can always email me if you have any other questions, and at Bliss and Faith, or hello at blissandfaith.com. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to leave comments below if you have any questions as well, and give me a thumbs up if you like it, and be sure to pop back over and tune in for my weekly plan with me's. Thanks so much again for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.